What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Oh well, since I won't have any more videos on my channel, but I'm gonna be redoing like all of my videos because they were pretty bad and some of them didn't even work that well. So I'm gonna redo them, and the first one I'm gonna redo is how to make a Gtag copy. And so yeah, let's just get into it. Got PlayFab, Photon. If you don't already have an account, you want to click sign up for free. Sign in with Microsoft or whatever you're doing. You should make an account, obviously. We're gonna make a new studio. Name it something like, we can name it Project. Wait, no, let's name it YouTube Taggers. That sounds pretty good. And then in here, we're just gonna, if it once it loads, I have so many playfabs I have to go through, bro. I have to delete quite a bit because it takes a long time to load. If boom, let's go down to Y. Right here, here's our playfab. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Photon. You're gonna sign up, of course. But yeah, you have to create a thing. We're just gonna go here, YT taggers. We're just gonna copy that, change this to voice, create, go here, paste your name or do whatever. Instead of fusion, real time, create. Then what you want to do is take your thing right here, copy that, go to add-ons, Photon, chat is your voice, voice is your chat, real time obviously goes into the real time, install Photon, and of course it didn't want to do it for me. If it does this like it's doing to me right now, just kinda keep doing it. What the hell? It just doesn't want to work, I guess. What the hell, bro? Okay, that's really weird. Uh, I that's really weird. I guess I can use a different playfab because I don't know why that's not working. Let's just go all the way down. Uh, don't care about any of these playfabs. That's why I'm showing them. Wish Taker should be working now. Okay, like so, mine's pretty much already set up, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is set up. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you anyways. So what you want to do is, once you have this all set up, you have your real time and voice. Then what you want to do is you want to take your title ID up here, just copy that. Go to how to set up Photon real time with PlayFab. It's right here. This one. Go to it, and then you want to scroll down until you see all this. You're gonna take. This right here. Don't take the period, just take the HTTPS, all this to the E, and then go back to Photon, and then go to your voice. You're gonna have to do this with both, so that custom server. remove that, paste that in, but don't save it yet. Go back to your playfab, take your title ID at the top, replace these 4 digits with your playfab, and then you're going to want to copy that and click save. Then go back to dashboard, and then what you want to do is go to your real time, go to custom server, and replace this with your thing, and click save. Boom. Now we're done with Photon, but we still need this, obviously. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to go to economy, currency. You're gonna create new currency, SR, shiny rocks, full caps. Intel deposit is how much you get when you first load in to your game. And I always do. I like doing 5,000, and then replacing this with 1,000. Recharge rate is how much shiny rocks you get per day. Recharge maximum is this right here, I think. Oh, yeah. So I already have one, of course, but this is what you have to do. It's 9 nines. But since I already have one, it doesn't matter. Then you want to go to catalogs, legacy, upload JSON, choose file. Then what you want to do is you want to go to downloads, every update. You want to find an every update DLC, like so, this one. And then you want to click open, and then you want to do upload file, and then you have it like this, right here. And then what you want to do is, since we have all that stuff, we can go add-ons, Photon, and then we have the title ID, and real time, and chat, and Photon secret key. So we can go to our project, like so. We want to go to Photon. This is our Photon. It will be this one of these blue boxes. One of them will have like this. You just want to choose the other one, and it should be like this. Then you want to put your real time into the pun, and your voice into the voice. Then you want to go to playfab, and you want it will be 2 of these again. Don't choose this one. Go to this one. Title ID, and then developer secret key is your Photon secret key right here. You just want to click this little thing to view it, and copy this and put it on the dev secret key, like so. And then go to playfab in your hierarchy. This is in your assets, by the way. This is called assets. This is called hierarchy inspector. Playfab authenticator. If it doesn't have expected title ID, just right click on the name right here, edit script, like so. It'll load my Visual Studio, like so. And then you want to go to the part where it's like this, where it's like the version, and then the real-time voice title ID. Obviously put your title ID there, voice there, real-time there. And then once you're done doing that, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and if it says something like what was it, something like application dot quit, you want to delete that, because that will make it so as soon as you go into the game, it will automatically kick you out. And then so once we go in, I'm just gotta wait a second. There we go. Whoa, what's going on here? I have no idea what just happened to my thing. Oh, there we go. Okay, so obviously my servers are working. If you go out here and it makes you rock monkey, your servers are working. But if you go to the board and it says something like internet connection, is something about internet connection, and the board's all red, then what you want to do is also when you go into play mode right here, you'll get these errors. It does not matter. they are play mode errors. You always get them. You just want to click the clear button in the console, and then you want to go back to your project. You can just go back to your regular assets like so. Then what you want to do is, if you do get that red screen with the internet connection is like what blah blah blah, you want to go here into your playfab. You want to go to automation, revisions, and then you want to do upload no revision, choose file. This one's really stupid because it doesn't really get my files. But what you should do is you should find uh you should find an instaban uh revision that also has the please fix update thing right here. This one right here. You want to find something with this revision up here, and then also this whole revision down there. Like so. Now we can just close that. But yeah, once you get that, you want to copy that in your notepad or upload it, and then you want to paste it. You want to do Control A, Control V to paste it all in there, and then it'll click save, and then you want to save, deploy, and save, and then obviously do that. Okay, and then that will fix it. So when you go into play mode, it'll just have the regular libboard, and you'll be in the game. And so yeah, that's really it to making a game. Yeah, but I hope you guys liked the video and stuff. Yeah. But yeah, okay, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please drop a please like and subscribe for me, please. So I'm on the road to hitting 200, and then I'm gonna get 300, 400, all the way up to 1,000, which is my main goal on YouTube. And I would really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe, so I can make that my goal. Well, that's all you really need to know to making a game. And if none of those worked, oh wait, I did have to show you one more thing. If you did the revision and the board still has the red screen, you want to go into your playfab, go settings, API features, scroll all the way down. These disable player creations, you want, if they're checked, you want to turn them off. Like if they're like this, you want to just turn them off like so, and then save obviously. And then when you go in, it should be working. If not, you might have a broken project. But what you want to do is on automation, if it still didn't work, you want to take this version right here, like the live 1122. You want to take that, go into your photon in your assets, go here. You want to change this app version to live 112. Then you want to go edit, project settings. You want to change this one to live 112 also, and then you can just close it, and that should work now. Oh wait, one more thing, gotta go in the playfab authenticator like so, edit script. You want to go down, change the version in here to live 112 also, 1122. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. That's all I have to show you. I don't want this to be too long, so I'm going to end it now. Hope you have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe.